Happy Sunday, everybody. I wanted to let you know I got to put a pause on the drawover episodes. There's some big work stuff coming through for the next 3 months. But I want to share some stuff with you because there's a lot of great artists that I've had on my show, you guys. So there's an opportunity here with the studio. I don't get a lot of views on this channel, but so those of you who are paying attention, I'm going to drop a link to Agora Studios. They have a great remote freelancer, artist program. It's great. They pay well. They really respect artists. Some of their productions are Love, Death, Robots, Wish Dragon. I mean, just go to their site, see what they do. There's just a good crew of people, and they pretty much need all kinds of talented people like yourself. So riggers, character designers, storyboard artists, animators, lighters, you name it. So please check them out. It took me a couple months of just kind of picking away at them, hitting them up. So just get into their community. They've got a great Discord, and so good luck, because this is a good opportunity for a lot of the artists I've seen on my show. So I will see you in September. Take care. Let me know if you have any questions, and have a good one.